Hi guys, today in this video I am going to share with you an easy technique through which you can easily use the calculator by using Google Chrome without going to the calculator app. For suppose I am doing some mathematical work on my Google, and now I feel the need of searching any mathematical equation or any mathematical answer. So after that I close the Google Chrome and go to the calculator app. So now you don't need to go to the calculator app. You can simply type the mathematical calculation on your search bar. Okay, so as you can see that yes, you can write it here as well. 100 divided by 5. Okay, as you can see that it has been giving the answer. So let's try something else. 100 plus 7 plus 890. Okay, as you can see that you can easily get the answer on Google search without using the calculator on your Android. I hope you like this short tutorial. If it proves helpful for you, then make sure to subscribe the channel and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.